All right, guys, welcome back to the Crypto Boys. What's going on? Joe P is here with you today to give you some information. I know it's Friday, not our typical Thursday, and it's not late in the afternoon. It is 12:52. So we got some stuff to talk about simply for the sole fact, nothing Voyager news related. If you're watching for Voyager information, today's not the day. Don't have any new information on that. When we do, again, just like last time, when we do have Voyager information, on the bottom of the thumbnail will be that white and purple Voyager sign. But thanks, everyone, for joining anyways. If you're popping in after the fact, make sure, if you get anything out of this information today and you're not joining us live, make sure that you hit the like button. I'd appreciate it. It definitely helps out the channel, and we appreciate you. So, anywho, guys, spot ETF. We've been talking about spot ETFs for Bitcoin literally since the inception of it. That will be more mass adoption. More people will get into it. Your financial institution will be able to just buy into it, right? You'll get more exposure into Bitcoin. A lot more people will get a lot more exposure without even knowing it, right? Dez, what's up, man? I've been around. I've been doing lives pretty much only. I have not been able to make a ton of like edited videos is all it's come down to. So apologize about that. Lives only for the last couple weeks. But anywho, guys, more exposure into the market is what we're looking for. And right now, there is hype. And we're going to talk about the issues in the spot ETF. So stick around for that specifically. But let's get into it. You guys know what it is. So CoinMarketCap. We are going to start there, of course. Just a little pop-up thing that you guys can't see. Okay, guys. So here we are, 1.2 trillion. It's good that we're back up to 1.2 trillion because for a while we were flirting pretty heavily with about the $1 trillion mark. So I'm glad that we're back up there. Bitcoin dominance, holy crap, guys! This is the highest it's been in a long time. 50%. 50.2% Bitcoin dominance. That means that literally half of all of the crypto right now is in Bitcoin. That means that, half of this market cap is Bitcoin. ETH dominance right now, 19.2%. Edward saying spot ETF would have saved small investor billions of dollars. Potentially. Yeah, that's a good thought right there. Looking at the charts right now, Bitcoin is up 19% on the week. What traditional financial investment that you can get from, your grandpa's investor that's been doing it for 100 years will give you a 19% return on a week? Doesn't happen. Like, you're looking for a 7% return on a year. But to have 19% in a week, guys, you are in so early. This is unbelievable. Your opportunity that you can make so much money long-term on Bitcoin. Ethereum up 13%, just flirting just south of $2,000. XRP, 50 cents. That is up 7% on the week. Cardano is up 14%, sitting at about 30 cents right now. Dogecoin, still not at zero. Don't know how. Polygon, 68 cents as of right now. A lot of things are up double digits, guys. That is fantastic to see. We love seeing that. Bitcoin Cash is up the most out of everything else the entire week, 74.8%, guys. Woo! I don't know who buys Bitcoin Cash, but it's up almost 75%. That's sexy to see. All right, guys, what else do we have on the lift? Nothing else fantastic. H-bar up 20%. Oh, hey, baby. I don't know. I might sell my H-bar when it goes up a little bit more. I think I got in at like 4.5 cents. So Dez is saying he's still buying ADA. You know what? I mean, even with the SEC coming out saying, or they're not going to support it. It's potentially a security, blah blah blah. Yeah, I think ADA is still a good buy because there's nothing really been confirmed with that. Your best buy right now. Not the store, not the technology store, but I'm talking about your best opportunity to buy some stuff. Bitcoin, Ethereum, safest by far. Are you going to get the 1000Xer? No. Are you going to get the 100Xer? No. Are you going to get a fat gain, though, when this thing runs up? If there's a spot ETF, if massive institutions start buying into it, if your grandma starts buying into it, into her normal retirement fund? Yes. You're going to make a big gain, a massive gain. Sink 10 grand in, maybe get out 40, 50 grand. Who knows? 4 or 5X? We could see it. Guys. All right, guys, moving on. Leverage Bitcoin Future ETF to start trading Tuesday. This is not the spot ETF I was talking about. This is Volatility Shares. Says it's 2x leverage Bitcoin future exchange trading fund will be based on CME Bitcoin future price. This is just some tad bit of information. I've never heard of Volatility Shares, but they said it'll become first leverage crypto ETF available in the United States after the U.S. SEC let it go effective on Friday. An executive at the company told CoinDesk. So CoinDesk is our source here, guys. This is the first time that you can trade 2x leverage on this ETF. Very interesting stuff. If this does do well, one, be careful if you're using any type of leverage. 2x leverage, 5x leverage, 10x leverage. Be very careful. You have to know how to play this game so that you don't get screwed, because if it drops below a certain percentage in the opposite direction, I guess, or goes up, depending on if you're short or longing it, you can be in big trouble and lose all your money. So learn how to do it. Go Google, go YouTube, go learn a little bit before you start playing around with that. Let's see, Des, still have my ADA stuck on Voyager. You think they will release come July 5th? July 5th. They're going to give us a 30-day window at some point. I thought that it said July 1st somewhere was going to be when they're going to open it up. That's like in a week, guys. Like I don't know if that's going to happen or not. If it does, cool. Take your stuff off. But honestly, I don't know. Hopefully, Des, you looked at your Voyager claim of what you're going to get in your email or on your app. Go look at your app to see what you're going to get back. You're probably going to be like, what the are you kidding me? But it is what it is. All right, guys, here it is. The big news and big story of the day. Damn it, CoinDesk. JP Morgan expands its blockchain-based token to euro. Oh, this is not. Never mind. The next one is the big article. Euro payments. JP Morgan expands blockchain-based token to euro payments. You can direct deposit in euros, not USD. Now, since its inception in 2019, over $300 billion worth of transactions have been processed using JPM coin. That is pretty impressive. $300 billion. And basically now at this point, the importance of this story, they went live with their euro payment on Wednesday, which was 2 days ago, according to the report, citing an interview with the bank's head, blah, 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 blah. Where's it at? Yeah, so this is an advancement in JP Morgan. JP Morgan, especially Jamie Dimon. Jamie Dimon? Is it Jamie Dimon? I want to say Jamie Dimon. Yes. He is the CEO of Chase, JP Morgan. But anywho, he is like super anti-crypto. He hates everything crypto related. He thinks, why would you waste your time? It's a scam. It's a fraud. A bunch of fraudsters are using it, blah, 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 blah. But here they are. Here they are hopping into the crypto. How can we make more money? Right here, a digital currency. Digital currency, taking it right off of the back and using euro deposits. They're trying to get it as many as possible different ways as they can. The $300 billion is still but a drop in the ocean compared to its nearly $10 trillion that JP Morgan processes by conventional means on a daily basis. Okay, listen up. Daily basis, daily transactions by JP Morgan is $10 trillion. Now, if we can just get a small percentage, a small fraction of that going into the crypto industry, into the crypto space, that $1.2 trillion market cap we were just talking about is going to explode, guys. I don't even know, like, I can't even fathom. Like, it's the type of explosion like at the bottom of the sea next to the Titanic. Ugh, yikes, that whole thing was a mess, man. I still don't even know. I mean, like, that's, like, did they really find the debris of the thing? You know, what do you guys think about that? I don't know. It seems a little sketchy to me. Did they really find it? I don't know. It's crazy stuff. But anywho, if we get a small percentage of that, I mean, that's going to explode. It's going to explode the crypto space. He does like blockchain. You're correct. Because he understands that blockchain is a way that will continue to progress the future technology. Like he definitely gets that. You don't become the CEO of a massive banking corporation if you're a dumb person. Typically doesn't happen. All right, guys, moving on. This is the most important news article for today. BlackRock Bitcoin Spot ETF. Let's go, baby. Now, here's the thing. Unlikely in the near term. Okay, guys, why does that Why do they say that? Well, it's really a Gary Gensler type thing. But what they're saying is that they have applied now, it'd be the first of its kind, as all such spot ETF applications have been rejected so far by the U.S. regulator. So the SEC has come out many, many times and said, no spot Bitcoin ETF ain't going to happen. Now, BlackRock, the largest, really company that comes down to what they do, is now like, well, we want to do it. And we got lots of money, so you should let us do it. And that, if that's the case, they're going to be the first of its kind. Gary Gensler has come out many, many times, not confident of the actual ETF approval happening in the near terms. He's a douchebag, so who cares? Gary Gensler is terrible. But anywho, this is the most important news, guys, and this is exactly why the crypto market is exploding right now. I mean, we're up above $31,000 for Bitcoin. We haven't been there in a while. It's been like 26 to 30 or so for quite some time now, and it is exciting. It is exciting to see Bitcoin actually go on a little bit of a run here, right? I mean, man, it's been some time, brother. It's been some time since we've been up here. I mean, this is back 416, we were at 30, but this is the highest we've been in a year. Wow, holy cow, this is the highest that we have been literally in a long time. We've had these droughts. We know all about this danger zone down here. 17K, 16K, not the feel good type of love that we got, but 31K. We are almost 2x'd from the bottom. If you bought Bitcoin at the bottom like our boy Will, or darn close to it, you could sell everything right now for a 2x profit. You put in $1 million, not that anybody would probably have put it in at that point because everything was fearful. We were in the single digits fear and greed index at that point. But that's exactly why we talk about when the markets are red, when people are fearful, when they're running the other way. If you truly believe in this product, you'll do well. Because think about it. If you were a millionaire, you put $1 million in right now. You could sell all of it. Not that you would sell all of it, but you could sell all of it and be up 2x. You'd have $2 million. Hedge against inflation? Yeah, there we go. Right there, 2x. You doubled your money. You didn't even have to go to Vegas. Unbelievable, which is exactly why, guys, we believe that crypto is going to continue to explode. Now, I understand that this is a really awkward time. It's 1 o'clock on a Friday. So again, hopefully you guys go back, watch the video after the fact. Later tonight, we got a bunch of stuff going on. Could not get on here last night. So I apologize for that. Tonight, we're doing a thing downtown, big CrossFit competition that's getting put on. So that's what we got going on today. But hopefully, short little live for you guys today. Good little tidbits. Hopefully you got some good information out of it. And if you did, and you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate it. Hopefully you get some valuable information out of what we're talking about. And if you do, hit the like button as well. All right, guys. That is it. That's all I got for today. Hopefully you guys have an awesome rest of your weekend. It is like 95 degrees outside right now. So we're going to go pop outside, maybe go for a little swim, whatever, before the end of the night. So thanks as always for rocking with the fittest crypto channel on YouTube, and I am out. Later, guys.